Dear students, in today's class, for the subject Municipal Solid Waste Management, we will be discussing how to determine the total moisture content in a given sample of municipal solid waste. Now, the amount of the municipal solid waste as well as its composition have been changing due to the changes in the consumption behaviors of the people as well as the rapid advances of technology. We also know that the amount as well as the characteristic of the municipal solid waste, it differs from one place to another place, from one country to another country, from one region to another region, or we can say within a same city from one neighborhood to another neighborhood, it varies. And these differences mainly depend on the socio-economic structure, the income level, the consumption, and as usage of habits of the people. And an efficient system for municipal solid waste management will require a good knowledge of the characterization of the solid waste that we have to dispose. Also, during the process of municipal solid waste management, some problems can be encountered because they have a heterogeneous structure. So, any sample of municipal solid waste has heterogeneous structure, and hence, for this reason, the physical features of the solid waste, like the moisture content, the calorific value, other composition, etc., should be well known so that it can be effectively or efficiently managed. Now, the moisture content of the solid waste actually differs between 15 percentage to 40 percentage, and the average moisture content has a very wide range because of the regional characteristics as well as the socio-economic structure, and it is reported as 20 percentage. Sometimes the moisture content may also reach to 60 to 70 percentage time to time, depending especially on the solid waste composition as well as the climatic condition. So we'll be discussing a problem now. The given statement, a problem statement is that using the data for a municipal solid waste sample provided below, find the average moisture content of the sample, and we have to base the calculations on a 100 kg sample size. So the total sample size is 100 kg of municipal solid waste, and here you can see this is the table which represents the various components in the given sample of municipal solid waste. So in the first column you can see that the percentage by weight of each of these components. For example, out of 100 kg of total municipal solid waste, the food waste comprises 9 percentage of 100, that is 9 kg. The paper, it's 34. Likewise, wood is 2, glass, everything is given here. So this is the table that represents or depicts the total components that are present in the given sample of municipal solid waste as well as the composition percentage by weight. And then you can see in the third column, it shows the moisture content in percentage. So you can see, for example, you take the first case, that is food waste. So out of 100 kg, 9 percentage by weight is food waste, and in this 9 kg of food waste, it comprises of 70 percentage of moisture. So how do we calculate the total moisture content? So for this, in the first step, we have to calculate the dry weight of each component. So already we have assumed that the total municipal solid waste is 100 kg. The given sample comprises of 100 kg. And from the table we see that the food waste is 9 percentage of the total weight of a 100 kg sample. And the moisture content of food waste is 70 percentage. So we can calculate the dry weight of the food waste separately. So we know that the total weight is equal to the dry weight plus the moisture content. So when we take food waste, the total waste will be equal to, it will include the dry weight of the food waste as well as the moisture content that is present. So dry weight is equal to, from the expression total weight is equal to dry weight plus moisture content, you can determine what is the dry weight of the given sample of waste. So dry weight will be equal to total weight minus moisture content. Now in this table, firstly you consider food waste. So it is given that the total weight is 9 kg and the moisture content is 70 percentage. So the moisture content is 70% of 9 kg. So how will you arrive at the moisture content? So it is approximately 6.3 kg. The moisture content, weight of moisture content is 6.3 kg because it is 70% of 9 kg. So you can find out that the dry weight is equal to the total weight minus the moisture content. So in the first case, the dry weight will be 2.7. So like this, we have to calculate and add an additional column and find out the dry weight of each of the components like the cardboard, plastic, textile, etc. So for each component, the percentage by weight as well as the moisture content percentage is given. So based on that, like this, for each waste we have to find out what is the dry weight, and then you can add up or sum up the whole, that is the extreme right column. You can see the total dry weight of the given sample of municipal solid waste is 78.8. You can see by adding up all the dry weight of all component, you can see the total is 78.8, and the total weight of the municipal solid waste is 100 kg. Dry weight is 78.8. So then obviously the moisture content will be total weight of the municipal solid waste minus the dry weight. From the expression, total weight is equal to dry weight plus moisture content. So you can just subtract the from this equation, you can find out the moisture content by subtracting the dry weight from the total weight. So thus you will get that for the given sample, the total moisture content is 21.2%. So the given sample is 100 kg of municipal solid waste. So it comprises of 78.8 kg of dry weight of the total components, and then the moisture content is 21.2%.